Hello, it is Dr. Render. Today I will show you how to create and animate continuous track in Blender. Let's create a single chain link. It's pretty simple for tutorial purpose. Apply all transformation by pressing Ctrl A. It's important. Then add to the scene a Bezier circle. It will be our path along which track will move. To attach chain link to circle, open Object Constraint Properties while chain link is selected and add Follow Path constraint. As target, choose Bezier circle. Now, when we press Animate Path, a chain link starts to move, but it's not rotating as it have to. To fix it, check Follow Curve and Position Link. Now it moves correctly. With Offset property, you can set location of link on the path. To set speed for single object, you can go to Curve Properties and set frames in Path Animation tab. It's enough for animating one object following path, but with multiple objects, there will be a problem. To create a track, we will duplicate chain link multiple times. Duplicated links will share the same properties, so there is no need to add and set constraint. To position duplicated links, set offset. When we will try to set the speed for two links, they will move faster, but links will overlay with the same offset. Set the frames value multiple of the offset value, 96 multiple of 6 in my case. So I will have 96 divided by 6 equals 16. 16 links in track, and I must make 14 more chain links. Duplicating and setting offset each time might be hard, but it's much easier than rotate, place and animate each chain link. And the result looks amazing. To set the shape of the track, select Circle and go to Edit mode. You can move, scale and rotate its control points and handlers. For more complex tracks, you can subdivide segments. So, how to change the speed without changing offset of each link? Open Graph Editor. We can see here graph of path animation. It's straight and goes upward, which means constant speed and movement in one direction. In Modify step, we see some sort of equation of motion. This is a value that multiply x to the power of 1. X is a current frame. Setting this multiplier changes track's speed and angle of line. For 0, it is 0 speed. For negative, it is motion in opposite direction. Coefficient is a constant term that moves graph along vertical axis. With restrict frame range, you can set where and how to start and end motion. So we were talking about first order. Higher orders add terms to the power of 2, 3 and so on. For 2 we can see parabola. Curved lines, unlike the straight, add acceleration to motion. Factorized polynomial has the same effect but with a little different control. That's all for this tutorial. It will help you to create and animate bike chains, cool moving cameras, trains and many other things. I hope it was helpful and you learned something new. Like, share and subscribe please. Bye!